Did you abandon the walker? Are you under arrest? What did the baby do? Why is the baby under arrest? Let's say, hands against the wall. Did you get yourself a little jack? Oh, you want Mama's nightlight? Yeah. Oh, look at the nightlight. Oh, what's wrong? Hi. Not quite. He's determined. Oh, but if you reach it, Mama's just gonna take it away. Yeah, once you reach it, I'm just gonna pick you up. Yeah, don't eat so well. Oh, look at you taking steps. Yes, you got it. Okay, say bye.